How to reverse a video on iPhone. To reverse a video on iPhone, first, you need to go ahead and open up CapCut on your iPhone. Once you're in, you need to tap on New Project. Then, select a video from your gallery and tap on Add. Make sure you have selected the right clip. Then, tap on the clip over here. And find the reverse option from the bottom level. Then tap on it. The CapCut application will reverse the video. Now, preview the video. Once you're done, tap on the export option at the top right corner. This way, you can reverse any video that you want according to your preference. By following these simple steps, you can easily reverse a video on your iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.